Hello student, chapter number 11, perimeter and area. In that exercise 11.1, we already solved first 5 questions. Now sixth one. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is ribboned in the shape of square, find measure of each side of that square. Also find the shape enclosed more area. Which shape enclose more? Okay, so first we find out the measure of side of that square if it's ribboned in square form. Okay, now given, what is given? The shape of that wire, that is rectangle, like that, and length of that one is given, that is 40 centimeter, and breadth equal to 22 centimeter. And now that is ribbon into square form. Okay, then find out length of that one. That is the question. So what is the total length of that wire? That is the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so first we find out perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle equal to 2 into bracket L plus B, that means 2 into bracket 40 plus 22 equal to 2 into 40 plus 22 is 62, so 124 centimeter. That is the length of that wire. Okay, now that is ribbon in square form. Okay, so perimeter, same here, perimeter of square, same wire is there, so same perimeter is there. Okay, that is equal to 4 into L, perimeter of square, and that is to 124 equal to 4 into L. Change the side of 4, 124 divided by 4 equal to L. So 4 3s are and 1s are. So L equal to 31 centimeter, means length of square is 31 centimeter. Okay, and also question is there, also find which shape enclose more area, means whose area more than another one. So we find out area of both one. So first, area of rectangle equal to, we know that L into B, and measurement of that one is 40 and 22, so that is 40 into 22 equal to 880 centimeter square. 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, and 1 0 is there. Okay, centimeter square. Same for square, area of square equal to L square, that means L into L, that is 31 into 31, because we already find out the length of square, that is 31. So 31 into 31 equal to 31 into 31 means 13039, so 960 centimeter square. So whose area is more than another one? Here area of square is more than rectangle. Okay, now question number 7. What's the question? The perimeter of rectangle is 130. If the breadth of rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find area of rectangle. Okay, so what is given here? One rectangle is there, its length is not given but breadth is given, breadth equal to 30 centimeter, and perimeter is given. What is a perimeter? So perimeter equal to 130 centimeter, it's given. Then find out length. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle equal to, that is 2 into bracket L plus B, and what is the perimeter? 130. So 130 equal to 2 into bracket L plus B. L is not given and B equal to 30. Now change the side of 2. So 130 divided by 2. Here that is in multiple form. Change the side, convert into, means become at denominator side. That is 6 2s are and 5 is 65. That means L plus 30 equal to 65. It's 65. Change the side of 30. L equal to 65 minus 30 means L equal to 35 centimeter. So length equal to 35 centimeter. Okay. Then find out area. One more sentence there. Also find area of rectangle. So area of rectangle equal to L into B. L equal to 35. We already find out that one. And B equal to 30. It's given. 1 0 is there. 5 is there 15. 1 3 is there 9 and 1 10 centimeter square. So area of that rectangle is 1050 centimeter square. Okay. Then question number 8. Now 8 number. Question number 8. What's the question? A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitting in a wall. Fit in the length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. Here in the figure. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Okay. Means they want to whitewash that wall. And rate of washing is rupees 50 per meter square. Then find out cost of that one. Okay. Now here already I drew that diagram. Here one wall is there. In that one door is there and they want to whitewash in that. Means they want to whitewash the wall only, not that door. Okay. So what is the whitewashing area? To find out cost of that one, first you just find out whitewashing area. So whitewashing area means total area of that rectangular wall minus area of door. Okay. So first we find out area of wall. Area of wall equal to L into B. That is 4.5 into 3.6 equal to. Now 4.5, 3.6. So first we find out 45 into 36. 6 5 is 30. 0, 24 and 3. 27. Now 1 0, 5 is 15. Here 1, 4 3 is 12 and 1 13. 0, 6 and 1. So that is 1 and here 1 0 digit is there. Same here 1 digit is there after decimal. So put decimal here. 16.20 meter square. Now area of door. That is also L into B because that is also rectangular and L is 2 and 1. So 2 ones are 2 meter square. Okay. So whitewashing area equal to area of wall minus area of door. Okay. That is 16.20 minus 2. 2 means 2.00. So answer is 14.20 meter square. Okay. That is the total whitewashing area. Sorry, here whitewashing. Whitewashing area. Now find out cost. So cost of whitewashing 1 meter square equal to 20 rupees is given. Then cost of 14.20 meter square equal to how much? Cross multiplication. Okay. Now 1420 is written into 20. 14.20 into 20 equal to 14.20 means 1420 into 20 divided by 100. We write down into fraction form. So 1010 cut, 1010 cut. 142 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, rupees. Means cost of whitewashing equal to 284 rupees. That's your answer. Okay. So here our exercise 11.1 is completed. Just complete all that sums in your notebook. Okay, thank you.